Guys, if you need a soldering mat, this is the one right here. Really quickly, guys, yes, this is a sponsored video by CalRC. That is the soldering mat that I'm using beneath all this. It's like a 1/4 inch thick, solid silicone. It's amazing, guys. I'll try to leave a link in the description below for that as well. Alright, so this is how I do it, guys. Just go ahead and this is how I cut it. Just going to doctor it up, guys, with this blue wire loom. It's kind of tricky, but really quickly, kind of how I do it. Next, guys, go ahead and apply your 240 piece heat shrink, and then grab yourself a, I like to use the heat gun, guys, or you can use a lighter or a little torch, but I like to use the heat gun. Don't melt it, and go ahead and heat shrink it on. Next, we're going to go ahead and shorten up the wires. Since the ESC is so close to the RX, probably cut it somewhere about there. So really quickly, guys, in order to adjust this mount really fast, it's actually pretty simple. You get it installed, you get your pinning on there, and then you get your clamping motion on, and then here what you do is you get your truck on a nice flat surface, okay? And you can hear it. Everything's rolling nice and free. Now listen, if I rotate it just a little bit closer toward the spur gear, you can hear the difference. So closer, it got even looser. So let me turn it, I turned it away, my bad. All right, you can hear the difference right there. Listen, and see it's binding up. So that's how you can adjust this mount, just like that. So I start with the bottom right there, I leave them long, and then I go ahead and I use my torch or my iron to cut that, and then we're pretty much good to go from here. So pretty much go ahead, cut it with the torch just by burning it, and then just pull it apart. Just like that, and then you're ready to apply the heat shrink. Guys, it's super simple, it's not too hard, you just have to take your time and just go with it. Just like that, guys, you have yourself some nice braided wire loom, and well, yeah, it buttons up your build. Oh, finally, guys, we got it done. Now, really, I didn't tell you guys everything about the system. There's a lot to it, and well, you can program it off of all of this. You can change all your settings. Guys, it's absolutely amazing. Just remember, just go ahead and grab one of these while you're purchasing the kit or the combo. But guys, it's going to take you a little bit of time to do all this braided wire and shortening of the wires. But guys, once you get it all done, it just looks phenomenal. And then really, you're not trying to stuff all that extra wire underneath your receiver box. So there's just a few inches sticking here, guys. I shortened both the ESC and the servo. So now I'm just waiting on the RX and the radio. I'll do a run video that day. But guys, thanks for watching the channel. Please do like, subscribe, give me a big thumbs up. Hit me up if you guys think you want to try to build up the same truck as I did. If you guys need the parts, any of that, guys, hit me up. My number is 253-230-2661. You can text message me, call me, whatever. And yeah, let's get going, guys.